everyone, thank you so much for joining me today for your how-to guide for W-2s. My name is Sharisa, and I'll be your tour guide through your QuickBooks Online account to help you prepare your W-2s. We'll be going over how to prepare them in your QuickBooks Online account, and we'll make sure you have all the tools you need to get those documents to your team. Here I have some pretty important dates for you. If you're having Intuit auto pay and file for you, you as the employer can view and print those W-2s starting January 13th. Employees can print and view the W-2s starting January 15th. And W-2s are mailed out via USPS starting January 20th. If you have your auto pay and file turned off, which means you'll be manually printing them out and sending them off to the IRS and your employees, you as the employer can e-file or manually file by sending through the mail with the IRS starting January 1st. You'll mail out copies B, C, and 2 to your team postmarked by February 2nd, so the employees can receive them within 7 days. Employees will be able to view and print W-2s once their employer is finished filing the W-2s with the IRS. And please note, for the employees to be able to view and print your W-2s, they must be invited and accept the invite to QuickBooks Workforce. Let's go ahead and get started. You first want to go over to your left-hand navigation and go to where it says Taxes, and then select Payroll Tax. From there, you'll go to Filings and select Annual Tax Forms. And we're going to go to the very bottom to where it says Printable Employee Copies Form W-2. From here, you're going to want to set up your W-2 printing. And from here, you have 3 options. First one is I'm planning to print on a 3-part perforated paper. The second one is I'm planning to print on a 4-part perforated paper, or if you'll just be printing on regular plain paper, you have that option as well. I'm going to go ahead and select that and then press OK. After that, your account will then start asking you a few questions to make sure we're all set up to then have those W-2s ready for printing. The first question will be, if you track contributions to retirement plans outside of QuickBooks Online Payroll, you need to manually select the retirement plan checkbox for each active participant when you prepare your employees' W-2 forms for the tax year. So in 2020, did you, the employer, or any employee contribute toward a retirement plan outside of QuickBooks Online Payroll? Yes or no. And then you'll press Next. Then at the very top, you'll select the period that you wish to run the W-2s for. Obviously, we're going to do 2020. And another reminder here, give copies B, C, and 2 to each employee by January 31st. If you are required to report healthcare coverage on W-2 form, you're going to click the Go here and enter that information in. If you're ready to go, you can click View, and it will pull up a new tab and show you all of the documentation that you can print out. When you do press View, it will show up in a new tab, and it's going to have the information for all of the users that you can print out for. So every single person is going to be on this document when you go to print it out. If you need to archive, you can go ahead and click the Archive button once you're finished working on the form. That way we'll keep an electronic copy for your future reference and remove the form reminder from your homepage to-do list. Next, I'm going to show you how you're going to invite your employees to Workforce so they're able to view and print their W-2 forms. You're going to go to the left-hand side where it says Payroll. You're going to select Employees, and at the very top, there's going to be Invite to Workforce. Once you click Invite to Workforce, a box will pop up to the far right-hand side, and you can select all users to invite, or you can select specific users, and you can make sure their emails are updated to whichever email they need to receive the invite to. Once you've updated all those, you can say Send Invitations in the bottom right-hand corner. They'll receive that invitation, they'll accept it, and they'll be able to sign in and view those W-2s once they're ready. Running your W-2s is simple, quick, and easy, whether you are using auto pay and file or if you have auto pay and file turned off. We are always happy to help you. If you need assistance, reach out to us to get you and your team those W-2 forms and ready for tax season. I want to thank you all so much for joining me today, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.